So as you can see from the start, we're missing a few things here and there. No big deal. The hood is painted with planets and whatnot. The headlights look really nice. So you've got 2 new headlights in it, but it's got frame damage in the front and in the rear on the passenger side. So let's take a look. So first thing, as they said, as soon as I take this wheel off, I will see the frame damage, is what they say. So if we look further down here, we can see this wheel is actually kicked in pretty good. It is really, the up part is pointed right in, so I'm guessing that's what they mean by frame damage on the rear. We've also got the rear quarter here is pushed in pretty good. A bit of a hit right here. Now, the quarter here, there's a little bit of a buckle right here. This should come right out. This will just need to be pulled back out. This is not structural here, but I can tell already that the trunk does not close. It's going right against here, so it doesn't close.
Yeah, it's pulling the whole car. Take a vent out? Yeah, it looks way more.
Yeah, so the bottom looks like it's out now. Yeah, it looks straight. So we got things on it. So now we need to grab it right here and pull that out. I doubt the trunk's gonna be any bigger yet. Okay. Yeah, no at all. So yeah, this one probably is tough pull. So we'll start pulling that next. Yeah, we can have that back in. Next thing on is measurements. Ready? take the same way that was?
Yep.
Okay. And now we've got 53.5 again. Locks all buggered up. Dents, rust. Not worth actually repairing this door. Just replace it with another door. So. Alright, so the door is off. That was way more working than I thought. Maybe I did a few choice steps. Alright, so we got the new door on here. It's a little bit gutted. I haven't got the new door yet. We'll just see how it closes here.